All right, y'all. Are you ready to make your phone a whole lot smarter? Today, I'm showing you how to set up Siri on your Apple device. Nice and easy, just like Grandma's pie recipe. First things first, let's wake Siri up with your voice. Grab your iPhone or iPad, open up your settings, and scroll till you see Siri in search. Tap that, honey. Now turn on Listen for Hey Siri. You might need to say a few things so Siri can get to know your lovely voice. Just follow the prompts on the screen. Don't worry, no pop quizzes here. Next, you can make Siri pop up with just a button, no hollering required. Still in Siri in search, look for press side button for Siri if you've got one of those fancy newer phones. If your iPhone still has a home button, bless it, you'll see press home for Siri. Flip that switch on and you're set. Now, if you've got AirPods, you can talk to Siri hands-free. Pop those little fellas in your ears, then go back to settings, tap Bluetooth, and hit the I next to your AirPods. Here you can choose how you want to call on Siri. Maybe press and hold the left one. Last step, you can make Siri chattier or quieter, however you like. Head back to Siri in search, tap on Siri responses, and pick what fits your mood. And that's it. Setting up Siri is easier than making sweet tea on a Sunday. Give it a try and let Siri lend you a hand. She's always happy to help, no tip jar required. See y'all next time.